RVs in 2025 are next level, from luxury mansions on wheels to off-grid beasts. These rides are unreal, and wait until you see number one, you won't believe the price. The Thor Tuscany 45MX, $550,000. Starting off, we have the Thor Tuscany 45MX, a true land yacht. This 45-foot beast is packed with high-end features. Think heated floors, a king-sized bed, a residential fridge, and even a fireplace. At over $500,000, it's like bringing a 5-star hotel with you on the road. Numer King Air, $1.5 million. For those who demand ultra luxury, the Numer King Air is your dream come true. A stunning high-end interior with custom leather seats and a touchscreen control system. With hand-stitched Italian leather, a customizable interior, and state-of-the-art tech, this $1.5 million coach screams first-class travel. It even has collision avoidance and adaptive cruise control. Basically, a private jet on wheels. Earthroamer SX, $1.7 million. Luxury isn't just for paved roads. Meet the Earthroamer SX, an unstoppable off-road beast that lets you live off-grid in style. Built on a Chevy Silverado 6500 chassis, it has solar power, a full kitchen, and enough water and fuel for weeks. The price, $1.7 million, because surviving the wild should still feel like a VIP experience. Next is Marathon Coach, $2.2 million. Now, if you want celebrity-level luxury, the Marathon Coach 1480 is a rolling palace. At $2.2 million, it's handcrafted with real marble floors, a hidden smart TV, and a custom-built sound system. A massive, high-tech RV with custom LED lighting and touchscreen controls. Each one is totally unique, made to fit the owner's wildest dreams. Next is the Volkner Mobile Performance S, $2.5 million. An RV with a built-in garage sliding out from underneath. A garage? Inside an RV? Yes, please. The Volkner Mobile Performance S isn't just a luxury coach, it's a supercar carrier, an RV with a built-in garage sliding out from underneath. With the push of a button, a hidden garage slides out to reveal a Ferrari or a Porsche. And with a $2.5 million price tag, this is for those who refuse to travel without their exotic car. Next is the Powerhouse Coach Ultra line, $2.8 million, a massive motor home with a futuristic control center. If James Bond had an RV, it would be the Powerhouse Coach Ultra line. Built like a military command center, this $2.8 million rolling fortress features bulletproof armor, a hidden escape hatch, and a high-tech security system. It's not just an RV, it's a safe house on wheels. Futuria Sports Plus Spa, $3 million. This RV literally lets you travel with a rooftop jacuzzi. The Futuria Sports Plus Spa is a $3 million rolling penthouse, complete with a built-in hot tub, a king-size bed, and even a party deck. It's the ultimate way to turn a road trip into a VIP getaway. Anderson Mobile Estates, $3.5 million. Ever seen a double-decker RV? The Anderson Mobile Estate is a 2-story mansion on wheels designed for Hollywood elites. Celebrities like Will Smith and Brad Pitt have owned one. A 2-story luxury RV unfolding like a transformer. With a glass-walled second floor, a full kitchen, and a movie theater, this $3.5 million RV is red carpet worthy. Next up is the Featherlight Ventare Platinum Plus, $3.7 million lavish gold accents, high-end materials, and a built-in wine cellar. Now, if you thought RVs couldn't get fancier, meet the Featherlight Ventare Platinum Plus. This $3.7 million luxury coach is decked out in Swarovski crystals, marble, and gold. It even has a built-in wine cellar and a custom Italian leather sofa that costs more than most cars. Lavish gold accents, high-end materials, and a built-in wine cellar. This isn't camping, this is 5-star living on wheels. The Element Palazzo Superior, $4 million. And finally, it's the most insane RV of them all, the Element Palazzo Superior. At $4 million, this thing looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, with a cockpit inspired by luxury yachts, a pop-up sky lounge, and a master bedroom that rivals a penthouse suite. This is the most expensive, most futuristic RV in the world. Would you live in this? So which one was your favorite? Would you drop millions on one of these RVs? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.